everyone, welcome back again. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about one advertisement. I guess some days before only I have discussed one advertisement regarding to the computer instructor on a website Lido, and many of the students or many of the viewers has applied there and they are just going through that process. So all the best to them. And in today's video also we are going to discuss about one vacancy, and that vacancy is related to the online English tutor. That vacancy is available in a very well-known reputed company, that is the, do you want to hear the name of that company? The company name is Mastery. Yes. First of all, let me show you the advertisements. See, this is the advertisement. It published in Indeed, and second one is in Simply Hired. I guess it is published on 29 September 2020. Okay, so before going to the advertisement, what its requirement, firstly I just want to clarify what is the Mastery, how it performs, what is its work. So let's discuss it one by one. So Mastery is an online English teaching platform where we can teach to the kids of any age, and it is basically related to the English, where they are providing the skills related to the reading, writing and speaking. Okay, so on that website it is not written anywhere ki they are also providing the courses related to the math, but when I gone through the YouTube videos of them, I got to know ki yes, they are also giving courses regarding to the math also. So I am not sure about this. I have just saw the videos of maths related. On that website it is not written anywhere. They have given the courses related to the English only. Okay. And one more thing which is very important while discussing the Mastery, कि Mastery has now become the part of the Unacademy. We all know Unacademy is a online teaching platform or online learning platform, we can say, which is mainly focusing for the competitive exams. But the Unacademy is right now focusing to invest some in schooling students also, so that they are acquiring these companies. And in the month of July only, they have invested $5 million in Mastery. So now Mastery has become the part of the Unacademy. So this is the group now of Unacademy. Means if you got selected in Mastery, you will directly become the part of the Unacademy. Clear? So now you get to know ki how genuine, how legit this website is. Okay. And next we'll turn to regarding that advertisement. So this is the advertisement. Let me give you the brief information of this advertisement. See, this is for the online English tutor. The job type is full-time, part-time, and it's remote. Means you can work from the home. Second thing, what is the description about this job? See, you need, if you want to apply for this, you need a excellent communication skill, must have the great knowledge about the English language, and you should be enthusiastic while teaching, then comfortable with the technology and dealing with the digital content. Okay, so what are the working days and timings? They have not specified any particular timings. They have just mentioned that you can work full-time, part-time, weekdays or weekends. So this is the overall timing structure. They have not specified any particular timing here. Then who can apply here? What is the qualification required? So any BA, MA, BA, Bachelor of Arts, Master of Arts with a beard. Means if you are not having beard, it's okay, but if you are having a beard, it will be a feather in your cap. It will be a great opportunity to apply here. It will get beneficial for you. So if you are having a BA, MA qualification with a beard, just apply here. Okay. So what are the technical requirements needed here to join? One, as you all know about that, when we are teaching on the online platforms, already I have made one video regarding this, which gadgets you require for teaching online. Same as shown here. See, 8GB RAM laptop, then your HD camera, then your internet. That's it. If you are having these much things, then you click on this apply button. You will get one form here, and in this form you have to fill the general information like your name, qualification, experience. You have to submit your resume here. Make sure that your resume is updated. Once you have done all this process, click on the submit button. It will be submitted, and if your profile got shortlisted, your application got shortlisted, you will get a mail, and then the interview process will be started. Now this interview process has been divided into the 6 steps, 6 rounds. The first one, let's discuss one by one. In the first round, you have to give the application video resume. Means you have to make one video regarding to your resume. Nowadays it becomes what can I say, it becomes a necessity to make this video. Okay, so you have to make one resume video, means you have to give whatever you have written in your resume, you have to make the video of all this, and make sure it should not be too much longer. Just take the length at least 2 to 3 minutes only, and in that video just try to give the complete information how you are. Okay, so once you make the video, just submit it on your email, on their email, and if your video got shortlisted, then the next round will become, and that next round will be regarding to your subject matter interview. Now this subject matter interview can be face to face or can be another video, means if they can give one subject to you and will say to you to make one video on that subject, or they can ask you face to face any questions regarding to the subject, means just they just want to know how much you are having the knowledge about your subject. After that there will be a first interview, which is face to face interview, the third round, first interview, that is your face to face interview, in which apart from your subject knowledge they will ask you related to your experience, qualifications, maybe they will check your documentations also, and once you will clear this third round, then your teaching demo will become, which is your fourth round, in which you have to give, they will provide you one subject, one topic, and you have to give one demo. Okay, and once you clear this, then you will be on, then they will provide you one training to sorry, so to how to handle all this platform, how to handle the dashboard. So once you will complete your training, then you will be live on the platform, means on that day you can become the teacher of this website. Okay, so and if you don't want to apply from these links, means the links I have given in my description box of the Indeed and Simply Hired, but if you don't want to go from there, means for the advertisement which I have shown before regarding to the Lido, they have said ki ma'am, on that website I have not seen this vacancy, and maybe they are feeling ki it is unauthentical, or the information they are providing on that form will be get misused. So if you don't want to go through that link, just go on their proper website. For that you just have to Google it, Mastery. If you type this, you will get this form, this interface here. Once you will click on this website, just go down, you will get a option here, become a teacher, yes, become a tutor, and then there you will get a form. Just fill up this form and the same process will be happen to you. Okay, so that is all about the one main thing remain regarding to the salary. So they have not disclosed any salary here, means whatever the yearly package, monthly package, they have not disclosed anything regarding that, but just I am assuring you ki as it is the part of the biggest company, definitely they will give you the good amount. So try on this platform, and if you will, once you will register here and you get any email, just comment me so that I'll also come to know ki how the things are going on. So that is all about this website. If you are having any query related to this, just ask to me, I'll try to clarify it. And this is Manorama signing out for now. We'll get in touch in the next video.